Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Parson. Today we have a 2017 Mazda 2 Genki, stock reference number 5390. The shape runs from the 9th month 2014 and is the current shape. It has a 1.5 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by an automatic front-wheel drive transmission. 1.5 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. We have the left-hand headlight, left fog light, left front 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, left power door mirror, left rear door has one small dent, left rear 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, left hand tail light, left tailgate garnish, tidy rear bumper cover. Tailgate appears to have no damage. Right hand tailgate garnish, right hand tail light, right rear 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Right rear door appears to have no damage. Right front door appears to have no damage. Right power door mirror and a right front 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black and red cloth interior. Automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, heater controls, sat nav, display screen, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke leather steering wheel with cruise audio and phone buttons.